Hello everyone, hope you're well. So I just been out to get myself a laser level / distance measure. Got it from B&Q. So this is an unboxing / review video. So let's go. It doesn't come with a carry case, but I'll put it somewhere. Oh, there it is. In all of its glory. It's bloody heavy. Oh god, it's in one of these type of packaging, isn't it? It's really a long video. You can see that it'll be a very hard unboxing video just to get the stupid thing in. Hello, not found it. Yes, he has. So here it is. It's, yes, I know it's only a small thing, but it doesn't have any batteries in it, I don't think. We'll have a look. It's the first time having one of these things, and I don't want to work today. But maybe because I'm opening it the wrong way. Who fucking knows? Who? Well, I can't get it open, so I would turn it on, but there's no batteries for it. So, and here's the instruction manual. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Sorry if this took a little longer to open than the other one. But yeah, that's the end of this video. I will post something on my Instagram when I get this thing working. Have a great day, everyone.